Welcome back, Webflow creators. Today I am going to show you how to start making money by adding secure payment methods to your Webflow e-commerce store in just a couple of clicks. Let's get right into it. First, you need to make sure your Webflow project has the e-commerce features enabled. Once you're inside your project, navigate to the settings panel on the left side of the designer. Click on the e-commerce tab and then select payment. This screen is your command center for managing how you get paid. Webflow natively supports both Stripe and PayPal, giving your customers the ultimate flexibility at checkout. To connect Stripe, simply click the Connect Stripe button. You'll be redirected to log into your existing Stripe account or quickly set up a new one. Connecting Stripe automatically allows you to accept all major credit and debit cards, plus it seamlessly enables web payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay for a frictionless one-click mobile checkout experience. If you also want to offer PayPal, go back to that same payment settings page, click the Connect PayPal button, and sign in with your verified PayPal business account. Webflow handles the entire integration behind the scenes, ensuring your transactions are secure and fully compliant. Once you have connected your accounts, added an e-commerce site plan, and published your site, your checkout page will instantly populate with sleek, professional payment options. Your customers can confidently purchase your products using their preferred method, and the funds will securely route directly to your connected bank accounts without any technical headaches. If this quick setup guide helped you launch your store, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point Webflow tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what e-commerce feature you want to master next, and I will see you in the next video.